Hey everyone, as you all know, Call of Duty Warzone is just got launched for mobile. And in this video, I'll be walking you through how you can download it on your mobile device. Before we begin, make sure you have a compatible device that can handle the game smoothly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open up your Play Store. Then, search for Warzone Mobile. And you can see the game is available here. Simply click on the install button and it'll start downloading on your mobile. But in case if you don't find it here, then go to your browser and search for Warzone Mobile Google Play. Open up this site from the search results and you'll be redirected to the same page. So that's basically how you can download Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. That's it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.